In this video, I will show you how to add border to video in CapCut. To get started, open up the CapCut app on your device. Once you're in the app, tap on New Project. Next, select the video that you want to add a border to from your gallery. After selecting your video, tap on Add to import it into the timeline. Once you've imported your video, ensure that it is not currently selected. If it appears highlighted or selected, simply tap on the arrow icon located at the bottom left corner of the screen. Now, swipe left through the options available at the bottom until you find an option labeled Background. Tap on Background to access various customization settings. In this section, tap on Color to choose what shade you'd like for your border. A variety of colors will appear. Select one that complements your video best. After making your selection, confirm by tapping on the checkmark located at the bottom right corner of the screen. With your background color set, now it's time to bring attention back to your video. Tap directly on your video clip once again. To create that desired border effect, use a pinch gesture, pinch inward or outward as needed, to adjust its size appropriately within its frame. As adjustments are made, keep an eye on how much of the colored background is visible around your video. This will form your border. Once everything looks good and you're satisfied with how your bordered video appears, feel free to continue editing any other aspects of your project as desired. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.